Hello everybody.
Hey.
Today show you how to make a Peking duck in home. All right. Now the duck, the skin and the fat and the meat. Now we separate the skin with the meat. Long time ago, have to use the mouth blew up. Now we can use the pump it up. Okay, make a skin and the meat separate. But have somebody help hold it. Make sure the air no go out.
Okay.
Okay.
好像个气球一样。Oh, wow, look at this.
Okay, now. Okay, now the meat and the skin is separate. Then you put it in the oven, cook. The greasy easy go out. All right. Then use that one. Then you can cut it half, like that. Right here. The wing. Okay. Then hand it up. Now put a 5 cup of water and 2 tablespoons honey. Okay, now the duck is dry. Then we can put it in the oven, cook. 400 degrees. Then cook 1 hour. Okay.
Oh. 哇，北京鸭出炉了。
Now first. Okay.
Oh. 看那个脆，皮很脆。哇
The skin is crispy.
Oh.
Crispy.
Okay, 油就不要了。You don't need the fat.
Okay.
对。